One lawsuit could wipe out your freelance business unless you've got this coverage. As a freelancer, your reputation is your business. One unhappy client or unexpected accident can threaten everything you've worked for. That's where freelance business insurance from Next Insurance comes in. Here's the best part. It's not one size fits all. With Next Insurance, you can customize your coverage to fit your specific work. Whether you're a designer, consultant, writer, or a photographer, you pick the protections you actually need. They offer policies like general liability, professional liability, and even commercial property insurance, all built for independent professionals. You can adjust your limits, add policies, and get proof of coverage instantly. Protect your business the smart way. Click the link in my description and get your custom fitted freelance insurance from Next Insurance today.